Good morning students. In a previous class we have learned about the operations on integers. What are the addition of integers, multiplication of integers, division of integers and subtraction of integers, is it? I hope you are understood the concept. What are the rules follow for the addition and subtraction? Any two positive integers are there, what we do? Add and put the same sign. Two negative signs of integers are given, what we do? Add and put the same sign. So negative sign is given, you will put the negative sign. Positive sign is given, you will put the positive sign. Okay. So two different signs will come, what we do? Subtract and put the greater number sign. Okay. I hope you all understood that concept of addition and subtraction of the rule. And then next one of that, multiplication and division of the rule. What is that? So multiplying two positive integers, we get the positive. Okay. And multiplication of two negative numbers or negative integer, we get the positive integer. We get the positive integer. Okay. Two different signs of integers multiply or divide, we get the negative sign. We get the negative sign. The multiplication and division having the same rule we have followed. Okay, for the integers. Now today we are going to see the exercise 5.2. Exercise 5.2. First one, add. So easiest problem you will do the D problem, minus 142, 207 and minus 70 is given. Okay, solution. So minus 42 add plus 207 plus here minus 70. Okay, so these are the same sign. These are the same sign. So first add and put the same sign. Add and put the same sign. So what is the value? My 142 plus 72, 212. So the same sign, first put the same sign, add, what we get? 212. Okay, and remaining number is plus 207. Now we get the two different signs. What we do? Subtract and put the greater number sign. First subtract. So 212 minus 207. What we get? 5. Is it? So first I write the answer 5. Which number is greatest number? 212. That number having the sign is negative. So answer is minus 5. Okay. And next one. Minus 2169 plus 500. Plus 500. So solution. Minus 2169 plus 500 plus 500. So subtract two different signs. Two different signs will come. What we do? Subtract and put the greater number sign. So 2169, 500. Okay, so 9, 6 is not possible. So borrow from here. So 11 minus 5, 6. So 1669. So greater number sign is negative. Greater number sign is negative. So answer is, what is that? 1669. Greater number sign is negative. Okay, that's it. And next one of that, F problem. Minus 18 and 18. So opposite of each other, is it? Minus 18 plus 18. So answer is 0. minus 18 plus 18 is equal to 0. Opposite of each other. Okay, right. And next one, G. 5 minus 17. So solution, five plus minus 17. So two different signs will come. What we do? Subtract and put the greater number sign. Subtract, what we get? 17 minus 5. Okay, subtract 7 minus 5 is 2. 1. Okay, 12. The greater number sign is negative. Greater number sign is negative. So minus 12. Minus 12. That's it. Now move to the second problem. These are all working in the rough work area. Okay. Second one, subtract. A problem. 8 from minus 10. Okay, this first one. And second one, B, minus 340 from 500. And then C, E problem. C is homework. Okay, 39 from minus 15. And F problem, minus 17 from 17. Okay, see. From means idhila irundu. So solution minus 10. Okay, minus 10 minus 8. Okay, why do you put here minus? The operation. Okay, subtract means difference. So we here put the minus. So now we both have the same sign, is it? Minus 10 minus 8. So what we do? Add and put the same sign. Add and put the same sign. So 10 plus 8, 18. The same sign put. Okay. And next is solution. 500 minus the operation. The sign also, the number having the sign is negative also. Okay. So minus into minus plus. So 500 plus 340. What we get? 840. Okay. And the E problem. Solution minus 50 from, is it? So we will write the first this term. Okay. So minus 15 minus 39, both having the same sign. So add and put the same sign. So add 15 plus 9, 5 plus 9, 14, 1. So 54. So answer is minus 54. Next one, solution 17 minus 17. Okay, this is the operation. This is the negative integer. Okay, so minus into minus plus. So 17 plus 17 is equal to 34. Okay, that's it. Remaining problems are homework. Now move to the third one, multiply. Multiply the first one, solution. Okay, the question is minus 5 into 7. Okay, B1 minus 13 into minus 13. C 105 into minus 10. D minus 219. from D problem is 5 into minus 3 into minus 7 into minus 6. Okay, now do here plus minus into plus minus, is it? Minus into plus minus, plus into minus minus. So 5 3s are 5 7s are 35. 5 7s are 35. Here minus into minus plus, 13 13s are 169. Here plus into minus minus. So multiply by 10, we get 1050. Okay, here first multiply these two terms. So 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15, plus into minus, here meaning is positive, is it? So plus into minus minus into, here both having the negative signs. So minus into minus plus, 7 6 are 42. Now multiply these two values. So 42 to 15. 5 2s are 10, 5 4s are 20 plus 21, 2 4 0 3 6. So answer is 630. 630 minus into plus minus. So answer is minus 630. Okay, remaining problems are homework. Now move to the fourth one. Division. Fourth one is divide. The first one, solution. A problem. Minus 80 divided by 5. Okay. B problem. Minus 65 divided by minus 1. And then C, 0 divided by minus 17. And D, 15,625 divided by minus 25. Minus 25. See, division rule. So, two different signs. One is negative, another one is positive. So answer should be negative. Okay. So 80 divided by 5. What is that value? How many times is possible? 1 times of 5. Remaining 3. So 5 6 are. So 16. Okay. And next one 65. So minus. Both having the negative sign. So negative. 2 negative integers are divided. We get the positive. So plus. So 65 divided by 1 is 65. 0, anything divide, the numerator value was 0, the value was 0. 0 divided by any number, 0 divided by any number, we get the 0. Now divided by, so here plus 1 plus value, other one is negative. So answer in negative. So what is that value? 15,625 by 25. How many times is possible? 6 times, is it? 6 times of 25 is 150. Okay, now down 6, 25. How many times is possible? 2 times. This is 50. Remaining 1, 2, 5. So how many times is possible? 5 times. Okay. So the value is minus 625 is the answer. Okay. Remaining problems are homework. Okay. Now do the fifth problem. Nita travelled 45 km north and Negha travelled 59 km south. So both are the opposite directions. Okay, from the same point. From the same point, find the distance between the final destination of the 2 ரெண்டு பேருக்கும் உள்ள ஃபைனல் டிஃப்ரென்ஸ். ஃபிஃப்த் ஒன், need to travel 45 kilometer north. Okay, so north, okay, south from the starting point as O, starting point as denoted O. You have to find out the distance between the NS. Okay, ரெண்டு distance என்னன்னு கண்டுபிடிக்கணுமா. So need to travel 45 kilometer north is equal to plus 45. Okay, Neha, so opposite of the direction. Okay, so Neha travel 59 kilometer south. So opposite direction, minus 59 kilometer, minus 59 at the same point O. The distance between the distance how to find out the difference, is a distance between the two sides. How to do? We have to find out the difference of these two values. Okay, difference mean what we do, which operation we have applied, subtraction. Okay, so distance between Nita and Neha is equal to 45 minus the difference distance we have to find out. So minus of minus 59. Okay, so minus into minus plus, so 45 plus 59. Add these two values, so 41 104, correct, kilometer. Okay, and then sixth problem, sum of, subtract the sum of. So very carefully read the question. Okay, sixth problem, subtract the sum of minus 18 and minus 35 from the sum of minus 11 and 45. So first you have find out the sum of the values of first one and second one. After subtract the from of second one of the sum of value to the first one of the sum of value. Listen. So first we have to find out sum of, first sum of value, sum of minus 18 and minus 35. So add these two values. Okay, minus 18, sum of means add. Okay, plus minus 35, both having the negative sign. Okay, both having the negative sign, both are the same signs. So what we do, add and put the same sign. So minus 18 plus 35, 53. Okay, so minus 53. And next one is sum of minus 11 and 45. So minus 11 plus 45. So two different signs will come. Okay, so what we do, subtract and put the greater number sign. First subtract, so 45 minus 11 is 34. The greater number sign is positive, so plus 34. So what is given in a statement, subtract the sum of these values from the sum of this. So this one, subtract 34 minus from, is it, from this one to this one, what do we get, minus of 53. So what is answer, 34. Here write according to the problem, according to question according to the problem or according to the question. Okay, so 34 minus of 153, so minus into minus plus 53, so answer is 87. That's it. And next one, 7th one, the sum of two integer is sum of two integer is minus 318. If one of them is 112, find the other. Okay, sum of means add. ரெண்டு நம்பரை ஆட் பண்ணும்போது minus 318 கிடைக்குது. So one of the number is 112. Find the another one of the number. Okay, so see, let the number be x. Okay, given the sum of two number is equal to minus 318. Okay, so one number is 112. One number is 112. That is x into two number. One number we have considered x, another one of the number be x. This 112 is equal to minus 318. 318. So x is equal to minus 318. Product is there. Product here sum is given, is it? So sum is plus move to that side, minus 112, plus move to that side by using the transpose method, minus 112. So both having the same sign. What we do? Add and put the same sign. First of all, add 318, 112. What we get? 8 plus 2, 0, then 3, 4. So 430, the same sign. Put the same sign. Thus, the another number is minus 430. Okay, and next 8th one homework. 8th and 9th are homework. Determine the integer which when divided by minus 1 gives minus 42. The same method. Okay, so 8, 9 homework. Okay, now see the 10th problem. Is 10th problem is very easiest one. Is 15 minus 6 is same as minus 6 minus 15. Is the same. Calculate the value. Both are same. So 15 minus into minus plus 6. Here minus 6 minus 15. Okay. So here two numbers having the same sign. Okay. So 15 plus 6, what we get? 21. Here also the same sign, but they are both having the negative integers. So add and put the same sign. Here we get minus 1. Both are same. No. 15 minus 6 is not equal to minus 6 of minus 15. Okay, that's it. And 11th one is homework. The same method. 7th one is given sum of. Okay, here give it the product. Product means multiplication. Okay, 11th problem also homework. Now move to the 12th problem. What will be the sign of the product if we multiply 5 negative integers and 1 positive integers. Clearly given. Listen, what will be the sign of the product? Sign of the product. Okay, product is given. If we multiply 5 negative numbers, 5 negative integers and 1 positive integers, what we get? Negative, because 5 is the odd number, is it? See, answer is negative. Example, we have considered any one of the number. Okay, so 2 we have considered. 5 negative numbers, so minus 2. Not only same number, we have consider any different numbers. Here we have considered the sign only. Okay, so 5 negative numbers. So what is the value? 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 ones are 12, 12 2s are 24. Sign multiply, minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus. Okay, here one of the minus, plus into plus plus, here plus into minus minus. Okay, now here operation is multiplication. Okay, plus into minus minus, so answer is minus 24. Answer is minus 24. So negative, 5 negative numbers multiply and then and 1 positive integer. Any positive integer we have multiplied. 2 is one of the positive. What we get? The negative value. We get the negative value. What is that? 48. That's it. So answer is negative. And the 13th one, is it possible for the product of a positive integer and a negative integer to be 0? Give an example. The product of a positive integer and a negative integer multiply, we get the value is 0. It's not possible. We get any one of the negative integer or positive integer only possible, is it? We can't able to get the value was 0. 0 கிடைக்குமா? Not possible. Okay amma, so no. Okay, example, the possible of the product of positive integers. Product of positive integer, product of positive integer, for example 3, one is negative integer 1 or 4, we get the negative value. 3 4s are 12, not in the 0. Okay. Okay, when we have the statement is possible, so multiplicated by 0. Okay, so multiplicated with any number by 0, we get the value was 0. Then only the given statement is true. Okay, otherwise it is not possible. So answer is no. The example for this problem, 1 positive, the product of positive number and negative number, we get the negative answer only. Okay. Okay, homework. First A, B, C. Second C, D, G, H. Third E, F, G, H. Fourth E, F, G. 8th, 9th and 10th. 11th problem. I hope you all understood the concept of operation on integers. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can ask it out to me. Everyone should complete the homework, okay, and send it to the Zoho app. Thank you, students.